Yeah. Anyway, I've got the steak sitting in there with the onions and the butter just to simmer and got a little seasoning on top. As I stated previously, I'll be using the air fryer here in a little bit for those stuffed peppers, but this, oh my. As anybody who watches my videos knows, I love me some steak and onions. But tonight there's going to be sides with it. Hey, why not stuffed jalapenos? I love those too. Back shortly. And there you have it, folks. Dinner is done. A New York strip steak just smothered in onions. And some stuffed jalapenos. That's it for tonight's episode of Just What Can I Cook in a Van. I'm gonna dig in. I hope all is well, and until next time, happy trails.